This is 361 degrees Miro Nude SL 1.5. Okay, so this is their version 1.5. Okay, ganda oh, di ba? And ito naman yung version 1 nila ng Miro Nude SL. And this still remains one of my favorite daily trainer. Pwede nyo gamitin sa easy runs, tempo runs, and even racing. Pwede pang fast pace, pang slow pace. Okay, ang gaan din niya. And itong Miro Nude SL na version 1.5, this will be released on June 15, 2026. So, yan, isa-isahin natin yung mga features niya and mga updates sa kanya. Okay, first, same do sa version 1, naka CQT Extreme midsole siya. This is their top of the line na racing foam. Same foam na gamit dun sa mga racing running shoes nila na naka-carbon plate. Okay, pero ito walang carbon plate. Meron lang siyang fiberglass na shank dito. Maikli lang. Okay, so this is considered as plateless running shoes. Pwede nyo gamitin for your daily training and racing. Okay, so magaan din talaga siya. And then yung ilalim niya, naka-RPU outsole, very durable and grippy. Okay, tingnan mo, ganda, puting-puti. Grabe, ang ganda. Okay, yun. So, matagal siya maupod. Very, very grippy talaga. And yung uppers niya, updated yung upper niya. Naka-woven upper material na siya. Very breathable, light, and durable. So, malamig sa paa and at the same time, durable siya. Okay? So, paikot yan. Tingnan nyo, ang ganda. And then ito, may reflectorized siya dyan. May 361 degrees na logo and reflectorized na siya dito. Okay, and then as usual, stiff to para mas stable yung run natin, mas stable yung landing natin sa hill. Kaya okay na okay siya pang easy runs to fast-paced runs. And then yung dito niya, nilagyan nila ng butas for added ventilation. Yan, added ventilation yan. Malalaki yung butas para mas malamig sa paa. Okay, lalo na pag tumatakbo tayo ng mainit and malayo. Okay, and yung laces naman niya, flat laces siya. Okay? Yung first version kasi naka sawtooth design. So ito, okay, naka flat laces. And yung heel collar foam niya, mas pinakapal nila. Okay? Hanggang gilid, loob, likod, mas pinakapal. And hanggang sa ilalim, may foam. Okay? So added cushioning for long runs. Okay? And then yung tongue niya, okay, hindi na siya asymmetric. So pantay na siya yung tongue. Okay? Even na yung shape niya. And then, yung inner part ng tongue, naka-stitch sa may medial part, sa may arch side. Naka-stitch yan, ha? And then, yung outer is hindi naka-stitch. So, mas madali siya suotin, yung dila, dahil hindi naka-stitch yung outer side. And same yung width niya, same width, good for wide feet. And if you really have a really, really wide feet, get half size up. Okay? Pero ako, malapad pa ako, hindi na ako nag-upsize. I got my usual size, so true to size siya. Okay? And yun. And as usual, very bouncy yung CQT Extreme midsole, very responsive, very, very fast talaga ang feeling niya, and it's really comfortable kahit slow pace. Pag binilisan natin yung pace, you can really feel the bounciness. Okay? And really magaan ang Miro Nude SL. Okay? Magaan talaga siya sa paa. Kaya SL kasi super light. Okay? And yun, and may 361 degree siya dito. Hindi ko lang sure kung parang reflectorized siya. Okay? And it really feels light sa kamay, and lalo na pag tinakbo natin ng mabilis. Okay? And this is 240 grams for size 44. Okay? So, yun. Ang ganda na update niya. Ang ganda na update niya. Okay? So, I'm really excited to use this sa mga trainings ko. And please follow QuickFox, okay? Para ma-update kayo dito sa 361 degrees Miro Nude SL version 1.5. And of course, para din sa update ng 361 degrees Miro Nude SL version 1 nila. Okay? Para dun sa durability. Okay? And I'm loving my version 1. Okay? I'm loving my version 1. Kung makikita niyo yung old videos ko nito, talagang all praise ako dito sa version 1 nila. And I'm sure since updated din tong version 1.5, okay, talagang magugustuhan ko talaga siya for all my trainings and racing. Okay, I will be using this sa 5K race ko. Okay, plateless siya. Kaya I'm really, really excited para dun sa race. Okay, yun. So, madaming colors to available dyan sa Yellow Basket. Okay, check nyo lang yung size nyo. Get your usual size. True to size siya. And kung may questions kayo, paki-comment lang and I will answer them. Okay, so again, QuickFox here. Be quick and be safe.